Good morning, guys. Mr. Miller here. It is Tuesday, October 12th. I know that you might be surprised by the mustache. It is still me. Um, just something I'm trying out for a brief period. But I can't be there. But what I did was I put instructions online, and I also have made this video to guide you through the process of what I want you to do today. So you have to listen carefully to instructions, and they're also written there on the page that I'm showing you right now, so that you can go back and refer to it. So here's what I'd like you to do. Today we're going to try to share our document with at least two other people. At least one, two if possible, okay, would be good. And we're going to use Google Docs editing feature, suggestion mode feature, to get some feedback. So how do we do this? Well, the first thing I would like you to do is go to Google Drive, and you know how to do that. Look at my mouse. I'm going to go up to a new tab here, and I'm going to go to that little Google Apps. You know how to do that, and click on the drive. The other way, of course, as you've pointed out to me, is through Basecamp, and you can click on Google Apps and it does the same thing. So if I do this way, hopefully it'll take me to my school account. Yeah, and I can type in the search box here, unboxing me essay or unboxing essay. I called mine P. Miller unboxing essay, and there it is. I'm going to open that up and I'm going to use that. This is don't be distracted by the gibberish I wrote here. This I just did to fill it in as an example. I didn't want to embarrass anybody on a video by showing them their example, but we're going to make sure first of all we have the share settings correct. I'm going to go to share, and then remember, click on the get link, click on the restricted, and make it say anyone with a link, as we've done many times before already. And instead of viewer, we're going to go to editor. Don't worry about what might happen. We're going to share this with someone that we trust, maybe a friend. You can share it with me as well, which you've already done hopefully. And we're going to, there's everything is saved in Google, so nothing that is done is going to be permanent in any case. So we're going to click editor, and we're going to click copy link, and we're going to click done. Okay, so now the link to that document is copied on our clipboard.